love the ride. My favourite thing about kindergarten is art because my mum likes it. My favourite thing about kindergarten is handwriting. My favourite thing about kindergarten is reading. My favourite thing about kindergarten is the hard stuff. My favourite thing about kindergarten is handwriting. My favourite thing about kindergarten is art because I get to learn to paint. My favourite thing is learning with Ms Nikora. My favourite thing about kindergarten is counting. My favourite thing is going to school skiing. My favourite thing about kindergarten is Ms Nikora. My favourite thing is going down to the oval because you get to play with your friends. My favourite thing at kindergarten is playing with Little Squeak at free time. My favourite thing about kindergarten is Ms McCoy helping me doing maths.